We offer a wide range of courses that can be studied either in Welsh or bilingual as well. We have a particular focus on things such as the public services, social care, catering and so on, where there's where you've got that link with the public, and you're going to deal with people who speak Welsh, so there are real benefits in speaking Welsh in those areas. So we encourage learners to take up that opportunity and make sure that we have the staffing available to allow us to do that. But more generally, not all of our staff here can speak Welsh. We always advertise bilingually. We're very positive about Welsh staff, and I think that's about the ethos of the college as well. Myself and many of the senior managers are Welsh speakers, and we use every opportunity possible to speak the language. But once staff come here, it's about giving them opportunities. We're a Welsh for Adults centre. We've a really big range of courses right across North East Wales now. So we're well placed really as an employer with a good attitude to the Welsh language to give staff and students every opportunity to learn or to develop their Welsh language skills.